If you accidentally put wrong information or if you want to update some of the details on your resume, then here's how you're going to do it. So, first things first, you're going to head over to indeed.com. And then from here, from your dashboard, you're going to click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now, from the drop down that will appear, you're going to click on profile where it will take you to your profile page. Now, from your profile page, you're just going to scroll down a little bit until you see this resume section. What you're going to do is you're going to click on your current resume and then you will see this pen icon right beside your name and your contact information. So once you click on this pen icon, you can start editing all of the information that you want, like for example, your contact information, your location, as well as other stuff that you want to update. And that's it. That is how you are going to edit your resume on Indeed. Once you're done, just make sure that you hit on save at the bottom of the page so that your resume will be saved. And that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.